According to the National Coordinating Council for Medication Error Reporting and Prevention, procedures and systems, including dispensing, distribution, and administration, are listed among the top reasons that medication errors occur. At McKesson, we built the safest medication dispensing system available to prevent those medication errors without sacrificing speed or ease of use. An integrated solution that gives caregivers complete control of all critical aspects when accessing patient medication. This advanced solution is designed to be used in all patient care areas, as well as the OR, ER, ICU, and long-term care units, and provides 33% more capacity than other cabinets on the market. Helps hospitals support the ISMP recommended core processes for the safe use of automated dispensing cabinets, integrates with McKesson nursing efficiency tools, and offers the most reliability of any cabinet available. And only AccuDose RX offers the most integration with McKesson's pharmacy solutions and clinical IT to drive patient safety and process efficiency at the lowest cost.
The AccuDose cabinets help us a lot with patient safety. We integrate the pharmacy profile system with the AccuDose, so the nurse knows that once she's able to see that medication on the AccuDose cabinet, that the pharmacist has looked at that for drug interactions, allergies, and any dosing issues. So safety, it becomes very important, and the nurses know that they are safe when they're using the AccuDose cabinet.
Caregivers can access patient medication only after securely logging onto the system by using fast entry biometrics, entering a username and password, or scanning the barcode and entering a password. AccuDose RX is the only cabinet that uses biometric user identification functionality certified by the National Institute of Standards and Technology, and allows caregivers to enroll multiple fingerprints for ID purposes. This one-touch functionality provides caregivers with the most rapid, most secure access to the cabinet. And because the solution is centrally managed, caregivers can enroll at one cabinet, and their access privileges can be assigned enterprise-wide if desired, saving time and offering great flexibility for part-time caregivers or caregivers that must access multiple cabinets.
Now with the biometrics, we are able to just swipe our finger, it automatically enters us into the system, and we can choose our medications quickly, safely, and effectively, and move on with our day.
The large touchscreen tab-driven menu allows caregivers to quickly select the patient and the needed medication. The appropriate drawer unlocks, and AccuDose RX guides them to the correct pocket. Sophisticated and flexible dispensing options and alerts, including substitute doses, default dispense quantities, underdose and overdose warnings, and allergy and medication alerts, can be customized to meet any hospital's unique dispensing needs. If a needed medication is not available in a specific location, caregivers can quickly search all other cabinets hospital-wide. Access to a drug reference library provides valuable clinical information, patient education information, and images of medications. And only AccuDose RX allows caregivers to pre-select dispense lists remotely, allowing them to focus on clinical work in a quiet area and avoid the line at the cabinet in the med room.
I think the biggest thing with AccuDose is the safety of it. When I first started, I was here at the hospital. I had not used it before, and my nurses showed me some of the basics, but I was able to easily figure out the system, and also I had the peace of mind in knowing that I wasn't going to be giving my patient the wrong thing. One of the features of the AccuDose system that we particularly like is the fact that it alerts us to any allergies the patient may have, and also the easy access to their profile and seeing what medications the patient is or is not receiving.
AccuDose RX helps hospital pharmacies streamline workflow, improve productivity, and provides a closed-loop restocking process for increased safety and efficiency. With the touch of a button, the pharmacy receives immediate electronic or printed messages for refill or out-of-stock requests from nursing. This decreases dangerous interruptions such as phone calls. The pharmacy can view inventory levels for all cabinets, and override information is available in real time. And advanced functionality allows the pharmacy to pull cabinet inventory at any time and restock based on the pharmacy's as well as nursing's schedule. To tightly manage all controlled substances, the NARC station system, including the NARC Vault, is available. When restocking, the pharmacy technician is able to verify the right cabinet, drawer, and pocket by scanning the Connect RX Restock barcode generated from IntelliShelf RX, Robot RX, Med Carousel, or PacMed, closing the loop on the restocking process. As an additional safety checkpoint, the manufacturer barcode can be scanned to verify that the correct medication is being restocked to the correct pocket.
We've gained a lot of efficiency using the AccuDose cabinet with our nursing and pharmacy communication. They know what they have and what is available for them to use, and we know when they're running low.
Industry-leading 8 full-drawer main cabinets offer the highest line item capacity at the lowest cost. Hospitals can choose from large and small main cabinets, supply towers, and large and small auxiliary cabinets. The cabinets can be configured with a variety of customizable drawer and pocket types to fit any hospital's unique storage and dispensing needs. Single-dose and locked-lidded multi-dose pockets offer secure storage for controlled substances. The AccuDose RX remote lock option works with the hospital's existing refrigerator unit to provide secure storage of refrigerated medications. McKesson also offers Anesthesia RX, which is a solution designed specifically for use by anesthesiologists and CRNAs in the OR to enhance safety and improve medication and narcotic control.
We chose AccuDose cabinets over other products because of the storage capacity, the flexibility of the drawer design and pockets, and because of the service quality. Another nice new feature of AccuDose has been the addition of detecting pockets. Detecting pockets has allowed us to improve medication safety without increasing security. We are able to put medications in those pockets like our high alert medications and like our look-alike, sound-alike drugs, and the nurse or the technician is given a warning if an incorrect pocket is accessed.
AccuDose RX has built-in reporting and audit features that provide the most thorough monitoring and control measures available. With over 70 standard reports, customized reports, and dashboard analytics with automation decision support, hospitals can easily monitor, track, analyze, and evaluate the performance of the medication use system and its users.
Another nice feature of the AccuDose cabinet is the ability to go back and track a medication. If, for example, you think there might have been a possible diversion of a narcotic or some type of serious error, you can get into the AccuDose cabinet, run a report which will show you who accessed the cabinet, at what time, what day, and which drawer they actually got into. So it's very helpful in tracking down any quality concerns.
From allergy alerts and underdose and overdose warnings to manufacturer barcode restocking and advanced reporting, AccuDose RX is the safest, most flexible, and secure dispensing system and offers more accountability than any other cabinet available. With market-leading hardware and software, AccuDose RX medication dispensing cabinets enhance safety, streamline workflow, and improve productivity without sacrificing speed or ease of use. AccuDose RX, constantly advancing the safety, security, and efficiency of medication dispensing.
The AccuDose system is safe, it's reliable, it's easy to use, and our nurses love it.
I would definitely rather have the AccuDose RX than be without it. It's so simple to use, it's simple to teach other people, and it gives me more time to spend with my patients.
Before we implemented AccuDose, there were nursing concerns about the availability of medications. Often we would get called for stat doses that we had to send up to the floor. With the profile dispensing in the AccuDose cabinets, as soon as we put the medication in the system, it's available for the nurse, and that has improved the relationship between pharmacy and nursing. Prior to the implementation of AccuDose, we did card fill and card exchange. What has happened since we implemented AccuDose is that it has streamlined our process. Instead of picking medications for one patient at a time, we're picking medications for the whole nursing unit. The accuracy and detail of AccuDose reports have allowed us to improve our narcotic tracking and increase medication safety and security. AccuDose cabinets have been a good addition here at Clarion Hospital. It has helped us regain lost charges, improve medication safety, and improve our narcotic surveillance.
Here at Sharon Regional, our administration and board of directors are very pleased that we work with McKesson because they are looking at the most innovative ways to help patient safety move forward in the healthcare system. We use the whole McKesson line of products, from the AccuDose, the robot, also the NARC station, and the Admin RX bedside barcode scanning. We're able to integrate everything from the pharmacy perspective and the nursing perspective to know exactly what's happening with our patients. We're fortunate here at Sharon because we have both the AccuDose RX cabinet and the NARC station, and they're integrated so that we have better control of our narcotics, and we also have a good handle on the inventory on the floors for the nurses. As a director of pharmacy, I like the AccuDose RX reports because they allow me to see what is happening with a time and date. So if we have any discrepancies or any issues that we want to look at further, we're able to see exactly who is in the cabinet and exactly when they were in the cabinet.
Okay, before we had AccuDose, there was a lot of tension between pharmacy and nursing, and then after we got the AccuDose, the relationship was wonderful. You know, they have what they need when they need it, and there's not a lot of phone calls, and everyone's happy. After we brought AccuDose up and we were live with it on the units, the nurses told me that they had a lot of peace of mind that they knew they were giving the right dose to the right patients, because the AccuDose screen would tell them exactly which drawer, exactly which pocket, so they knew they had the right med.
Before we put the AccuDose cabinets in, we had a manual system in the critical care units. The nurses would have to go to a drawer, look for whatever kind of medication they were going to need, and we weren't sure that they were always charging for those medications. In addition to that, it was a manual process to get all the meds reordered. So since we put the AccuDose cabinet in, the nurses are very happy because they know exactly where to go to get the medication they need. They know it's going to be there, and then I'm comfortable because I know the charge is getting entered. The AccuDose cabinet really has helped free up our nurses from doing a lot of the manual tracking of medications. So they're able to spend more time with the patients and with the families, perhaps providing teaching about the medications instead of spending their time going to look for that medication. Well, one of the things the AccuDose cabinet has helped us with is the ability to adjust our par levels of medications we have in the units. And as procedures and practices change or different physicians come on, they may not use a medication that a prior physician had used. So instead of us keeping it in the cabinet and that costing us money, that's an asset sitting there that we can return to the pharmacy and update the AccuDose cabinet with what we're really using. If we had to get rid of the AccuDose cabinets, I think the nurses would have a fit crying that what are they going to do? How are they going to manage the medications? I would be concerned that I would have loss of charges, medications not controlled. I mean, there's just so many things that would become undone if we were to lose the AccuDose cabinets.
Before AccuDose, our concerns were with safety issues. Patients were concerned with not getting the right meds. And now that we have AccuDose, it is much safer, patients are more satisfied, and nurses love it.
We became nurses so that we could take care of patients and not be out at the desk. AccuDose allows us to get the medication quickly and give our patients the care they need. Our patients are safer because of the AccuDose system. With the profile dispensing, we're able to give the right drug, the right dose, at the right time to the right patient.